Hey everyone, what's happening? This is Ivan. Quantum mechanics. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Schrödinger's cat? Black hole? Some other crazy and weird stuff that can only happen in a lab? Well, today we're going to take a look at 5 phenomena that happen around us almost every day that couldn't be explained by the classical view, but only using quantum mechanics. Number 1. Daylight. That's right, simple light from sun. Our sun, like every other star, gets its power from nuclear fusion process. Two atomic nuclei come at very high speed and then collide, forming a new nucleus, while releasing energy. Without quantum tunneling effect, this process would require higher temperatures and our sun wouldn't be shining. Number 2. Flash memory. To store bits of information, zeros and ones, in flash memory, so-called floating gate transistors are used. A negatively charged floating gate corresponds to bit value of 0, while a no-charge floating gate corresponds to bit value of 1. To inject or erase electrons from the floating gate, the same quantum tunneling effect is used. Number 3. Laser pointer. Laser, or light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, emits tightly focused light with a very narrow spectrum. That is because emitted photons are coherent, meaning correlated, due to the stimulated emission process. That process can only take place because electrons orbiting an atom can take on certain discrete values of energy. A system with such discrete energy levels is said to be quantized. Number 4. MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging. An extremely cool technology in my view, in essence relies on the spin property. Spin is an intrinsic angular momentum of elementary particle and is purely quantum phenomenon. Proton has a non-zero spin and therefore a magnetic moment. When an external magnetic field is applied, proton spins align relative to it. If we change the direction of the external field, the alignment of the proton spins is changed. That change can be resulted in voltage to give signal. As long as human body composed mostly of water molecules, each containing 2 hydrogen atoms, which in turn contains a proton, we can use this effect to look inside us. Number 5. MRI again. This technology is so cool, it uses another quantum effect. As we already know, MRI scanner creates strong magnetic field. It is 1,000 times stronger than your refrigerator magnet's field. To create such field, superconducting magnets are used. This is an electromagnet, but not just any electromagnet, but one with coils of superconducting wire. That wire is cooled down to cryogenic temperatures, which turns it into superconducting state, meaning electric current could flow without any resistance. It is exactly zero resistance, not just some extremely low number, but exactly zero. Without superconductivity, wires would simply melt. As you can see, technology around us is outstandingly complex, and many common things can turn out to be quite fascinating if you take the time to think about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give a like and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious.